Dongguan Jufu Locks Company Limited is a production-oriented enterprise integrating development and design, mold manufacturing, zinc alloy die casting manufacturing and processing, and assembly line production. Our factory covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters with advanced mold manufacturing equipment and die casting equipment, and many professional quality technical personnel with more than 10 years of experience in the industry. There are strict standards for functionality, quality of raw materials, and cost generation. Jufu's advantages. Jufu has a professional design team, as well as experienced management and professional sales team. According to market demand, Jufu designs more creative new products, provides customers with a complete range of RV door locks and furniture push locks, canopy UTE lock, as well as rotary latch for vehicle. Jufu also provides fast delivery, customized packaging, and customized products. Our products sell well all over the world, Australia, Europe, America, etc., and are well received by customers at home and abroad. In recent years, the company has continuously introduced advanced technology and equipment to improve product quality and optimize production efficiency. Jufu is looking forward to seeing you. May we grow and make progress together.